Hey people, these are the moments I live for really. All this effort for of getting a rabbit. See, that's my child, and this is this girl. Sweetheart, go climb your brother. Go climb Ayush Bhaiya. Climb Ayush Bhaiya. Ayush Bhaiya, be ready to welcome.
This my legs are a bridge between Theodore and Tara.
Tara is like genuinely confused. We've called the girl Tara.
Tara does okay.
Hey,
Theodore.
Theodore is growing big. The door is half a giant. No,
It's
grey giant. No,
half grey giant.
grey giant and Flemish giant are the same.
No,
Oh,
Flemish is way bigger.
okay. So this guy is a grey giant.
And
It's
half
actually coming like a bridge I used to you. It's coming from.
and this guy is also half Soviet.
Ayush, I'm saying. Anvika's not seen these rabbits, right? Anvika's this is cousin sister. So yeah, this is a funny video, but I'm glad I'm shooting it.